Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you'll have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set a schedule based on your percentage, at what battery percentage the power saving mode will turn on automatically. For example, 30. And you can enable this feature turn off when charged. When battery is up to 19%, power saving mode will automatically turn off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.